Sturzer. Winger. Winger cuts it back. Winger shot. Jordan Allen rebound. Jordan Allen down.
And coming down right through the back of Jordan Allen. Take another look. Chris Winger. Biambiani has no idea that Chris Winger's right-footed. Cuts inside. He laces this, and watch Biambiani.
Olave can't quite get to it. Jordan Allen. A little flick and a goal. And RSL strikes.
As this ball's whipped in, just keep an eye on Jordan Allen. He's onside as the last defender drops on Saldi. Great little individual recognition. He doesn't know much about it as Jordan Allen just turned.
Jeff Antonella out, and he's able to cover that up. Good ball sent in.
That is a great take from Jeff Attinella. Watch how quickly Attinella reacts, gets in front, all body, and then the momentum of Icardi goes up and over, launches himself right to the top of the 6-yard box. Perfectly weighted ball. Proactive coming off his line from Attinella. That's just great goalkeeping right there from RSL's goalkeeper.
Erkin. Shot! And in! Jeff Attinella. Furious palms up. The ball nearly cleared off the line, but instead up into the top of the net.
Well, D'Ambrosio is one situation that's just floated from Kinnear Erkin. And how in the world is D'Ambrosio this wide open? He's got all the time in the world, but still the technique. As he uncorks the hips, watch how quickly he resets his feet, turns his body around, and gets that much power on the ball.
Through the 18 and out the other side. Dogbia back into the area, headed out by Chris Winger. Omar Holness. Holness over the top. Holness Garcia showing off the speed. One touch shot, far post and wide and out.
Holness Garcia pinning the ears back. D'Ambrosio closes down the angle. Always going to be difficult.
Wanted. Glasgow settles for Holness. Holness shot! And Pariza down to make the save.
Take another look at the build-up. Velasco recognizing that Omar Holness is there for the layoff. Fights through the on-running pressure.
Good build-up here from Inter, and the ball whipped in. DeMar Phillips can't get to that. Settles back in front of the shot just wide. And Jovic just couldn't keep it on, or excuse me, Palacio just couldn't keep it on frame.
Oh, it's service from the left-hand side, and as it gates his way all the way over, DeMar Phillips is cut inside. Bakayoko just pings the ball to Jovic. He does not miss by much. He ends up hitting the towel and the water bottle. Yeah, I was talking about him earlier, just probably 10 minutes or so. A couple summers ago with Man City.
Jovic. Lalo Fernandez down. Back to Jovic. Little chip ball.
You just saw him chipping that ball. Watch this as he pings that left post. It's a good ball in. Bakayaku, watch the touch. Just clips that ball. Now imagine him 2 summers ago with the Iheanacho and what he's done at Man City. And those two just tore up the United States.
Good counter here as the game really opening up in the final 10 minutes. Ball chipped in. Holness chests it down and flag is out.
To your question about Holness, yeah, minutes matter. Take another look as he comes right through the back of Ranocchia. It's the right decision.
Ball over the top, Schuler back. Jovic. Backheel nutmeg for Independence and scores. And in the 92nd and probably final minute, Inter Milan takes
Jovic 26-year-old Montenegro international. It's a ball up over the top. He brings it over well. And how many players in the world not only think about this, but can execute? I mean, listen, skill versus luck, you can have as much of an argument as you want. But that is just a filthy, filthy goal right there from Jovetic. Take another look. Sorry, Lalo. I love you to death.